Hey guys,
Hi.
It's the 12 days of Christmas. I have a special guest,
Yay.
Hope Cogwell. She's here for the Advent calendar reveal,
Yes.
and we have 2 days.
2 days. Stay to the end. You have to stay to the very end to see what we open up. This one's pretty big.
Yes, we have days 9 and 10 because I had
Yes.
my work Christmas party all day yesterday. So I missed you
Yes.
guys, and I hope you enjoyed my 9th day of Christmas, which was a technique from my technique class. And today we're going to make a gorgeous card using the Snowy Delights bundle. So reminder, my business, my name is Kay Cogwell. If you're watching me on YouTube or Facebook, make sure and subscribe to YouTube, share my Facebook page. Very important for you to know that free shipping ends today. So free shipping is like the best sale of the year with Stampin' Up. And remember, for this series that I'm doing, which goes until next Tuesday, when you spend $50 or more, you get 33 holiday tutorials from me on email. When you spend $75 or more, you're going to get free shipping. You're going to get the product of the month, which is, you can order this for $5, which is basically like free, right?
That's like a Starbucks drink.
Exactly. The True Blue Florals designer paper. And then also you're going to get 12 Advent calendar project recipes from me. And I'll show you what I have made so far from the Advent calendar items at the end. Don't forget, if you want the measurements for these projects, to sign up for my email list and my Fun Folds class, which I think we've showed. Yeah, I've shown you that. I'll show you that at the end. And then the sale for paper pumpkin ends today. All right, so we're going to use the Snowy Delights bundle. I cannot believe I haven't opened this up yet. It's one of the first things. I do typically leave my snow projects to the end of the season because they can go into January, right? So you don't have, this doesn't have to be a Christmas project. So you could make this and not say joy. You could say like a winter wish for Snowy Delights. So a warm hello. This could just be a fun winter card. But this is called a decorative mask bundle. And so it has these cool decorative masks. All right. And they're numbered for your pleasure. And actually, I numbered them bigger because I can't see the tiny little number that's Stampin' Up right. Can you even see that? That
Yeah.
4, the white 4. All right, so I'm going to show you how we're going to make this snowflake, and then I'm just going to describe to you how to make this card, because the card is easy. It's the snowflake that's fancy. All right, so we're going to take a piece of basic white cardstock, and then we're going to start with the decorative mask number 1. And I will tell you that it works well if you take once you get your number 1 down and have your number facing you, just make a little notch in the top left and bottom right corner, and that will help you line up the next one.
Is this your first
Yes,
one?
thank you, Hope. She's
And I
going
think
to
I
be...
got the right
Yes,
color.
you did. So we're going to use 4 pinks today. We're going to use Petal Pink, Calypso Coral, Strawberry Slush, and Flirty Flamingo. These are all what I would call complementary colors, so they go well together. But we're going to start with the first one. And this is going to make our biggest blending area. So we're going to line that up with our drawn marks here and here. And then we're going to generously I like to start over here though, just so we don't have any blotches, but we're going to really work it over with this Petal Pink blending brush. Making sure that you don't slide off your corners here. So hold this pretty tight. Or if you're very smart, you can tape it down with washi tape. But I don't ever do that because I'm lazy.
I would.
You probably would. I probably wouldn't because I'm crazy. All right, so we're going to get a good solid Petal Pink layer in there. And you can see how, isn't that gorgeous?
Let me see. Yes.
Just that is pretty enough. But we're going to go to the next color, which is Calypso Coral. And we're going to use number 2 of the masks. And I did use a different blending brush each time. You could probably get away with using the same blending brush if you were just making one of these, because they are kind of like, they go from lightest to darkest, but I don't like to mix things up. Now, you're going to line it up with your corners, but then you're going to eyeball here. And I don't know if you can see this, but there's a pretty even distribution around that heart of the color that we already laid down. Same here. So you can kind of look through there and just very like OCD line it up. And you'll see what I'm talking about when we get finished with our blending. So this is going to make a little, we're doing this layer that goes right through there. So we're just going to get cracking with our Calypso Coral. Now our blending brushes are like, they come 3 to a pack. So I recommend that you go ahead and get like 3 packs so you can kind of cover all your colors. And the good news is you can rinse them out and start over. So they're not like, if you use one, they're not committed to that color forever. Some people have one for every color and just keep them labeled and don't ever wash them.
I feel like number 11 in the advent calendar could be a blending brush.
I mean, let me see. Oh, that's a good point, Hope. It's definitely,
that's the perfect.
kind of looks like a tool. It is tall. Okay. So there's, and what you can do is kind of look under here and just peek and say, am I happy with that before you move it? And I'm very happy with that.
Really
Isn't that neat?
Can I do the layer?
Yes. Okay. Hope's going to do the next layer. So we're going to do, and of course it's her favorite color, pink. Yes. We're using Flirty Flamingo. And we're going to line it up.
Oh, they can see my nails.
Yay, look at Hope's gorgeous nails. They're much prettier than mine, although mine are painted
Yours
for
are
once.
Good. Carol is watching.
Oh, hi, Carol. Good to see you. Carol lives in a very cold climate. She always posts pictures of her cold area. It's not too bad here. Okay, this is lined up perfectly. And do you want me to hold it while you sponge it?
Yeah.
Okay.
But line it up
Okay.
again.
I think we're good.
So you said to test it or just go for it?
Nope, just go for it. And it's in all the, because this is a really small, yeah, you need a lot more. It's only going in those little holes. And go in circles. Like, there you go.
See, this is...
Wait, is that Flirty? Yeah, that is Flirty Flamingo. Yep, it'll show. It feels like it's not showing, and then it does. I remember when I did this one, I was like, is that really doing anything?
This is very beginner friendly.
It is. I mean, honestly, this would be fun to do in a class.
Or with a kid.
I'm kind of sad because we had a snowflake making day
See how that looks?
At my work, and I didn't even make one. I could bring it late. Ooh.
We could do more.
Yeah, I like it, but you see where it added in those dots?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, I like.
Yeah. I think it's good because this next one is where you're going to really see the inner workings. And let's line it up. She's going to get, the last color we're using is Strawberry Slush. It's a bold pink. And to me, this brings it into February because we have tiny little hearts in here. You can see.
Oh.
Circle. There you go. That's cute.
She said, hey, it's 29 degrees today.
That's actually probably pretty warm for where you are. Oh no. Is it 60 here? But like tonight, like this weekend, it's going to get down to 21 at night. I'm sure
the
it
wind
gets...
chill's 15 on Sunday.
Yeah, it's going to be cold here on Sunday. It just comes and goes in Arkansas. Like, I walked the dog the other day.
It already sleeted twice.
It was so nice. All right, let's look. I think we're perfect. Oh, yeah. Okay. Is that so cute? So you could imagine doing this with... I did it with pinks. You could do it with blues. You could do it with yellows. You could do it with purples.
Oh, purple would be my favorite.
We have so many different shades of colors that that you could do it with many, many colors. Now, so this video doesn't get 100 years long. I'm just going to show you that this die cuts out the snowflake. So out. You got to get this die so you can cut out that snowflake very carefully. And then what I did is I used this die from the Snowflake Delights bundle to cut out just a Petal Pink one. So I layered the Petal Pink behind the one, and I actually just cut this in half since it was such hard work, and just stuck it down here and here, okay? And then I stamped with Calypso Coral just under here and under here before I had stuck these down. That is all I did for this card. It's a Petal Pink base. And then the embellishments are actually, I couldn't believe these were on my table, my messy table. These are from the online exclusives that were released in November, and they're called Pearls of Beauty. They go with the Brush with Beauty suite. So it works perfect with that. Isn't that cute? So I just put them right here, and then the white ones around here. Isn't that precious? So I hope you love that project. I absolutely did. I wanted to show you how to make the snowflake, and you can figure out how to stick the snowflakes down to the Petal Pink card base for sure. All right, so Hope is going to see what's behind door number 9 and 10. So you're going to just lay it flat here.
Okay, here we go.
Number 9. There we go. What could it be?
I knew this was going to... Here, you get it started.
Yeah, it's kind of cantankerous.
Okay, I can
and it would probably pop your nails off.
Well, that's why I don't... Okay. We have,
It looks like more than one thing. It's like little die cuts, and then they're little memories in more size 3x4 cards.
That's so cute.
Oh, that's nice.
It kind of matches almost what we just
Aww.
did. That's cute.
I'm so happy. We're going to make a lot of pretty things. Look at that one.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
cute. Okay, just keep waiting for what we're going to make.
And then number 10.
Let's see what's behind door number 10.
It's like a... It's dynamite comes in small packages.
10, okay. Oh, you want me to press it?
Yeah.
There, I think I see it. But
I do too.
oh,
I love that.
it's
Look
little
at that.
floral shakers with
That's adorable.
glitter.
And I think it matches. Does it match
It's
what you just
flowers and stars and circle-y glitter.
got? That's
Aww.
so cute.
Okay. Oh, I know you love the snowflakes, Carol. That's awesome. Me too. Okay,
Tomorrow, are you doing it tomorrow?
yeah,
or
tomorrow
Monday?
we'll see. Oh, well, Monday we'll see what's behind door number 11. But let me show you what I've made with the 12 Days of Crafting Advent Calendar so far. So it comes with this stamp set, and I made a cute little box that's also a card.
Whoa.
And
cool.
I made a 4x4 card. This was the last project. These are in no particular order. One of the last projects I made with the little blending. There's a decorative masks in the advent calendar. There's teeny.
Wow.
Little fancied up card. Another card. This one has embossing. So I'm going to get caught up with my advent project. So make sure and be watching for my 12 days of Christmas. And then let's pop through, Hope, all the other... Oh, I promised you I would show you. On Tuesday, after the 12 days of Christmas are over, don't worry, because the next day on Wednesday, we're going to have our Fun Fold card class. So you want to sign up for that. It's actually called Fancy Folds because we're not doing fun sympathy cards. These are fancy sympathy cards. And you can get these cards free with the $30 purchase. These are some more 12 Days of Christmas. This was one of our days. We took a paper pumpkin kit and morphed it into Christmas projects. We have a little holiday baking card. You can watch all these videos on my YouTube channel, or they're all linked to my email that I'm sending out every day. Hope you're going to love these little tags. They're like, they've got little
those are adorable.
animals.
Is that the special delivery?
Yeah. I made a hot chocolate packet.
Perfect.
It holds chocolate and hot chocolate.
I like Swiss Miss.
And that is all. I think I'm missing one little teddy bear. I made a Valentine Wishes. It's actually, look over on the counter. I feel like it got over there somehow. Anywho, you can see it in my email. I made a card using the Valentine wishes, but it's Christmas. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget about all of my specials and the last. I know, Carol. It's nutso. Don't forget about free shipping ends today on orders that are $75 or more. All right, guys. Have a great day. Bye.